There you go.
That's a picture without count.
This is an episode of When Keeping It Real Goes Wrong.
I'll give Gang a break early because I know I'll murk it. You see me running all around the boat like Mike Iaconelli, you know something up. My damn music up. Get him, Curls. I'm waiting to say that. It's coming. Oh, you son of a... Oh! When you're done playing around with that, you come with the big boys. It ain't a gang, son. It ain't a gang, and there ain't no Yamamoto cowboy on there.
I thought I put the cowboy on here.
At least rock that on there.
I'm not taking that.
Just for some type of water disbursement. I'm using my 6th sense lure. Blah, 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 blah. When you're off camera, you're great. You're legendary. You're a natural, sir. I just can't tell you when the camera's rolling. Yeah, there you go, Kenny.
Oh.
No, not on my trolling motor. This fool talking about
Oh man, that's a good one.
No boat flip. Yes, we both flip.
GoPro highlight video.
He said, no.
GoPro highlight video.
Let's get it. Hey, I see craps in the back. I'm up front. Well, found a secret. Yeah. When you catching fish? All right, where the giant at? Oh, there you go. That might be the giant I was looking for. Kenny? Yeah, that's a good one. You better not come off there.
Damn, there's your 21.
21 Savage. All right now. Stop. Stop.
Yeah,
Ain't no 21. You know how we do. Lay it down. Get down or lay down, damn it. It's art of science. The science, art of fishing, and I'm a scientist. We all know that. I'm a scientist at Z-Man. The Black Albert Einstein. Isn't he a scientist?
I knew Albert Einstein was a scientist. I was playing.
That boy know his park, don't he? He said,
GoPro highlight video.
Kenny like, how does this fool know that? Ooh, don't you do that. Cause I'll go down and get you. Jimmy Hugh. Hey, stop watching me. It's a spot where you get stuck at over there, so don't throw over there no more. And you won't get it out. I lost 2 chatterbaits over there. And like didn't get it out. I don't know if it's like a bucket or something down. It's like a chain down there. Yeah, I always catch one over here. Right when Top Drop say it.
GoPro highlight video.
Oh, thank you. Huh? There you go, Kenny. This butt in the boat, boy. Hold on, let me turn that camera around. Here you go, Kenny. You gonna boat flip him? Told you over there, boy. My man. Don't let him touch the carpet. That's a 2-minute penalty. Sit your ass down.
How am I not supposed to let him touch the carpet?
Nah, you boat flip him. You grab it around the line and boat flip him. 2-minute penalty, man. Sit your butt down on the ground.
You shut up.
You guys should switch to a Yamamoto Cowboy?
I barely got him.
Ah, nice.
GoPro highlight video.
Look at that boy again. Get him curls. He hot. He hot. Don't you let him get off, boy. You better get in here. Put him in the boat, crabs. Go down in the zone scoop. You want me to zone scoop? You good. Look at that nice big old bass, boy. Don't you mess that up. Get his mouth, please. Get him in the damn boat. Before I get in there. God dang. Get him. There you go, crabs. You hot? You hot?
Ah, shit.
What? And get your pole. Let your bail down. Let me get the bass for you.
Gosh, man.
Crabs. Get his butt up there, boy. Pull him up. Them chunks.
GoPro highlight video.
Ooh. Damn 3/4 ounce. Look at you. 3 pounds?
Probably.
3
About,
pounds.
yeah. About 3. I'd say 3. Oh, with the weird chatterbait.
No, it's the cowboy.
Lord, this boy just did the Chatter Gang bounce.